Check mic. 1, 2. All right. Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Kamusta ang weekend ninyo? Hopefully maganda naman ang weekend ninyo. Not like today, PSCI dropped 0.79%, another red day. Let me share my screen. Update tayo sa market muna. PSCI is down 0.79% today. Negative 54.95 points. Pero ito, net foreign selling po tayo, 30 million lang naman. But then again, we were expecting this drop of PSEI naman di ba? I've been telling you about this for quite a while already. It has been the topic natin ever since mga 2 weeks ago na PSEI was already kind of topish on this level pa lang because this is our resistance. And we're expecting reversals. And now we are seeing, yes, as of last week, we saw a lower high already. And that's the signal of the reversal, and there it is. Lower low also is being shown by PSEI just today, and that is a confirmation na possible. There is a very big chance na bababa na naman ang market. But again, if you've been watching the Daily Grind, so far we have been able to really predict the movement of the market. Hopefully you're guided accordingly. And this is the reason why we ask you guys to please share this video. Paki-share po itong video nito to your friends, your relatives na gusto magsisimula sa stock market, and especially to your trading groups. Para mga newbies doon, they will know that there's a program like this that can guide them in the stock market journey. Kasi karamihan ng mga Pinoy, yes, maraming nagsisimula sa stock market. Hindi naman ganun karamihan. A very few percentage of the Filipinos start in stock market. Sa kakaunting iyon, karamihan sa kakaunting iyon, hindi natutuloy. Bakit? Sa first experience kasi nila, they lose money because they don't start the right way. And that's what we try to stop, right? We want to guide them so that they can, they will stay in the stock market, di ba? If as long as everyone is earning, as long as everyone is doing the right strategy in the market, at least man lang, our goal is to really help them at masustain natin yung growth. And in the end, it will, what do you call this? It will return to us, right? The more Filipinos get into the stock market, the healthier our market becomes. Tayo yung isa sa mga pinakakulelat na stock market sa buong mundo, sad to say. But then again, please share this video. Kaya po gusto natin, that's why I'm requesting from you guys na share nyo po ang video na ito. Right? Market again is red today, not so good. What is good is this one right here. Valkyrie, sa mga nagva-Valkyrie dyan, today, account again traded and now we are up 10.03% already, right? This is a verified account from my FX book. Ginawa ko sadya itong account na ito for the public to see. We're already up 10% in 2 months. July 19 nagsimula itong account na ito. July, ano na tayo ngayon? September 20 na tayo. So, exactly 2 months, we're up 10% already. That's amazing gains. Hopefully, nakita nyo ang value ng bot na ito. This is bot trading, by the way. Bot trading is, what do you call this? Automated trading, right? Yung program na linagay namin dito, po ang magta-trade para sa inyo. And this is dealing in Forex. If you like what you're seeing on the screen right now, it sounds too good to be true, but we've been running this account for a while already. This other account, this is verified track records. This is running under Izanagi. Valkyrie yung nakita nyo kanina. Yung Izanagi na account natin is already up 4.07%, and this is from August 22, less than a month pa lang, 4.05% na. Yung isang account natin sa Izanagi has been running. This one right here, micro Izanagi natin. This was up July 9. This is already up 42%. Crazy gains right here. Hopefully, this is verified track records, mind you. So, totoo po itong mga results na ito. High risk nga lang. The drawdown is 15.77%. There's a certain point that the portfolio of this asset went down 15.77%. But that's what we do. We do drawdown so that we can reach this one right here. hindi tayo magkaka-drawdown, hindi tayo magkaka-result ng ganito kalaki if our drawdown is not big also. Diba? Unless you're into Valkyrie, right here. Si Valkyrie is already up 10%. Yung drawdown niya 11.83 pa nga eh, di ba? Sobrang laki ng drawdown. But then again, this is a very good way for you to diversify into forex. Sobrang laki ng pera na tumatakbo sa forex every day. And then, why not take advantage of it? There is a way to take advantage of forex funds. Kaya lang medyo malakas sa headphones ko kasi yung hinaan ko lang. So hopefully you can sabihin nyo lang sa akin if malakas yung background music, okay? But yeah, this is bot trading, automated trading. It's already passive income, but there's risks involved in bot trading. We're already September 20. There's 10 more days to go for the promo of XM. That's a very good promotion for you guys. It's double your investment, meaning if you put $100, doublehin ni XM yan, gagawin $200. Up to $500. If you put in $500, XM is gonna add another $500. So that's 25k of buying power added to you guys. So that's big, right? So hopefully you take advantage of it hanggang September 30 lang yan. Check out Izanagi. It's a free bot. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, si Valkyrie. Premium naman tong bot na to, pero sobrang ganda pa rin ng takbo ng bot na ito. 2 months and 10% is crazy good, right? So hopefully sabayan nyo kami. Right, I'm gonna go to the comments really quick. Magandang gabi, Earl John Madrid. Ginto, haba ng pangalan nyo. Good morning. Ishi Mariwat, magandang gabi. Alfredo Kiso, good evening also. Rowena Villa, good evening. Paul Hermentera, Jepoy Gagarin, Junior Kino, Deljon Maumay. Jay, good evening. Can we please check when to take profit kay Palantir? And check ko lang po, Neo. Many thanks. Jaya is also trading in eToro already. Ni Palantir, PLTR. Let me just check PLTR. We called Palantir before na buy na ito. Grabe. Right? So, Palantir, is it take profits time? Let me just load my chart layout. Congratulations, Jaya, sa trade mo with Palantir. PLTR. Si crypto na naman, si Bitcoin, it's not yet selling time, right? A signal we can look at for selling right here is if the prices close inside this Bollinger Band right here. Pag ang prices is closing inside that one, that is your sell signal. If you can sell half, it's up to you. Alright, kung kaya niyo mag-sell half, I will recommend that. If ever hindi, then it's still on an uptrend. Sayang kasi, maganda sa sell half kasi if you can sell half here, use the MA20 as your support. Look at that, MA20 bounces beautiful. This is your entry points. This should have been your entry points. And then the other half, we just let it follow the trend. If ever matapos man yung trend niya and break the MA20, and that's where we sell everything. We at least yun yung mas maganda na trade. But if you cannot sell half, then sell everything at the top. Congratulations. Neo naman, I really love when we talk about taking profits here already. Neo is a buy, right? Sobrang ganda ng buy signal ni Neo. This is a massive support right here. Buy right here, not because I'm predicting that it will go up. It has signs that it will go up. But what is the most beautiful part of this trade is very low risk right now. It is just sitting on the support. In case we're wrong, and we lose this one, napakaliit lang ng maluloss natin and we can cut loss with minimal losses. And that's why I love this trade. I love those kinds of trades kasi. Neo is a buy. Paolo Alteos, keep it up, sir. You're doing a lot of good. Thank you so much, man. Janilo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Now lang nakabisita ulit sa live mo. Na-busy po sa CISI exam. As a requirement, ni eToro sa mga PI at buti naman at nakapasa ito ako. Janilo, kamusta? Buti ka ba nag-take ka na? Ako hindi pa ako nag-take. Yung sa ano ko, yung sa eToro ko, hindi ko pa tinitake. Right, man? So, let me just, hindi ko nga nakita kung hanggang kailan yun eh. Let me just check out my eToro if ever nakakatanggap pa ako ng funds. Because of letting people copy me, portfolio. Yeah, okay, July, June. Okay, July, August, and September. Hindi ako nakatanggap kasi hindi ako nagte-take ng exam. I should have taken the exam. So I will be taking the exam surely soon. Right. Thanks, man. Thanks for the heads up. Medyo na-busy rin kasi nakafocus ako sa Forex with the bot trading, man. So, yeah. Junior Aquino 20. What's up with number 20? Good evening. Alan Wasalan. Good evening. Sarah J. Datal, good evening. Sir, good evening. Ayan, okay na po background volume. Alright, sir. Good. Sir Lloyd, Sakbi, and Converge. Thank you. This is from Dave Viola. Alright, let's check out Sekbi. Si Sekbi, ang ganda na may position niya. It's sitting at support but no signals just yet for a buy. Right? Pag nag-green man to and is an engulfing pattern, I would say that's a good buy right there. Alright now, medyo lakas na momentum ng downside ni SECB. So baka bumaba pa. I want more data for SECB before I can call it a buy right here. Si Converge naman, medyo para sa akin, medyo may kamahalan si Converge. Pullback, nag-bounce din naman siya. So that's good. It's just that it's expensive for me now. I want this to really dip because pwede po ito pang momentum trader. I'm not a momentum trader kaya okay, kanina pa pala yung 20, sabi ni Junior. Alright, so thanks, man. Yeah, not my kind of trade. I don't want to trade this anymore. It can still go up. If you want to trade this one, you know where the trend line is. Just plot the trend line. That's gonna be your buy point for Converge. That's gonna be your trade. Janilo, done sharing po. Sir, thank you so much for sharing. Jojo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. And everyone watching from Singapore. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Bobby Shelby, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good day, naka-live na ulit. Alright. What's in September normally down ang market? What's in September normally down ang market? Actually, continuation kasi sa September na ghost month. So, I think tapos na ang ghost month. So, it should be okay already. Pero ang problema is PSEI is toppish. Nasa resistances tayo ngayon. So, yun. We're expecting for it to drop. Joe Castillo, good evening, sir. Check si LTG. Masaya natin si LTG. LTG has been showing buy signals already. The past few days, nagtuloy-tuloy na ba? And it did go up. There it is. Amazing. So, nag-breakout si LTG, right? Maganda dito is pullback and bounce. That's gonna be your best entry point. Look at this right here. So, we were talking about technical analysis before. Technical analysis ni LTG was a buy already. Ang ayoko kay LTG is the earnings. So, there might be a chance that it will drop. But if you got in because of the technical analysis, look at that. Reverse head and shoulder. RSI divergence. That's a buy right there. And we told you, buy na ang technical analysis niya. If you went in, congratulations sa LTG trade ninyo. It should be an uptrend already. Possible reversal na ito. Pullback and bounce. Actually, itong palang ito. Hindi pa naman siya reversal. But yeah, this can be a reversal right here pag nag-bounce na to talaga. So, that's gonna be your entry point. Pullback and bounce for LTG. Congratulations. Jaya, you're welcome. John Penetranto. Bago office na. Visit ako. Hindi naman bago yung office. I would say yes, bago. This is technically yung pinapaupahan namin na room. Right? Kasi the house is really broken right now, yung main house namin. So, it is bound pa talaga for renovation. Pero before namin inuna yung bahay namin, inuna muna namin yung parentahan na asset. Right? Real estate nga di ba? Investments natin. So, real estate, lesson about real estate investing, unahin niyo po, I mean, not really real estate investing, lesson in financial freedom 101. Kahit na yung bahay ninyo, no, sobrang pangit. Makita nyo lang state ng bahay namin, sobrang pangit. Right? Tumutulo na, ganito, ganyan. Pero inuna muna namin talaga ito. Right? Nung nakaipon-ipon na ng pera, we were able to really have that amount na pwede na kami mag-real estate investing and go heavy on it. Hindi namin inuna ang bahay. Huwag nyo uunahin ang bahay. As long as may bahay kayo, be contented with it lang muna. Right? Unahin nyo ang isang asset na real estate. So, this is ito yung sinabi ko sa iyo, John, na ginawa natin na building. Dito ako nakatira. Dito kami titira muna ngayon for the meantime while i-renovate yung bahay namin. But yeah, inuna namin ang ganito na asset which is parentahan Because ang kita ng bahay nito is will really help you in your in building your house na gusto. Once you have that house, again, if that house is for personal use, we call that a liability kasi it will take out money from your pockets. At the very least, pagkatapos ng bahay na yon, sure pa kami because there's this building na nag-generate ng income, di ba? And it will help us. So, unahin nyo dapat ang assets. Huwag muna ang bahay ninyo. So, John has been here because John is my partner sa bot trading, di ba? John comes here often sa bahay namin. Doon pa kami nag-aano sa old house. So, this is the new office. Hindi naman new office. I'm gonna be moving back into the house once the renovations are done. So, temporarily, siguro mga 8 months to 10 months bago matapos ang bahay. Junior Aquino, kanina pa ito. Norman, GFC coach, please, let's check out GFC. So, yun ha. Little lesson about Financial Freedom 101, guys. Yes, if ever magka-blessings naman kayo ng malaki, hindi po unahin ang bahay na maganda. Right? Hold off. Unahin yung asset. If you can, look for a lot and then develop it. Gawin nyo ng parentahan or whatever you can create as much as possible. Unahin nyo yun. Right? Makontento muna kayo sa bahay nyo. Kasi pag inunan nyo yung bahay ninyo, yes, may magandang bahay kayo, but after that, what if nagka-pandemic na walang kayo ng trabaho? Patay, di ba? So, at least unahin nyo yung assets, please. Okay? Gawa kayo ng parentahan or whatever. Kahit bahay din na parentahan. GFC, let's let GFC load. GFC. Bobby Shelby, sir, Plant vs. Undead PVU token, if pwede ma-check. I already checked it out. I even played the game. I'm not really a fan of the game. Pero, simula pa lang naman niya. So, why not check it out? Pwede niyo po subukan. Again, nga pala, ito yung topic natin ngayon. Before I go to request ni Norman, right? Norman is asking about GFC. Ito pala, SLP, USDT. So, SLP is reaching all-time low levels. Konting tagbagsak at all-time low levels na siya at it will reach all-time lows, right? Possible mag-all-time low levels siya. That's sad, right? But yeah, we were able to predict this. We've been talking about SLP for quite a while already. And why were we able to predict this one? Because of the fundamentals of the NFT games. We talked about NFTs before. Talked to you about the fundamentals of an NFT game. Wag lang puro hype porket kumikita kayo, pwedeng maganda na yung game na yun. This was the hype start and then another hype level. But after that, here's the bubble this is the bubble that was started and then collapse, and SLP has been dropping ever since. So mga bumili sa 20 pesos, halos 19 pesos, 16 pesos si SLP. Now it's down at how much is SLP right now? 3.42, right? 3.42 pesos from 16 pesos. So sobrang bagsak. SLP is very low because of the token generation system na nasa laro na Axie. Sobra. This is to cut the long story short, sobrang daming SLPs. Smooth Love Potion is being generated every day. So many tokens are being generated every day sa Axie, and it's flooding the market, and it's causing the prices to go down. Right? Now, andyan sila, Plants vs. Undead. Kakasimula pa lang naman ni PVU. So, pwede nyo pong simulan. But, PVU, Plants vs. Undead, has more or less the same token generation system as Axie. So, I'm expecting for it to create a bubble also. People are gonna be hyping, riding the hype. And then, most probably, it will go down again in the future. Right? Biggest lesson I told you about NFTs is use the hype. Don't let the hype use you. Gamitin niyo po yung hype. Pwede kayong magsimula dyan. While it's being hyped, it will go up. Take profits, but don't let the hype use you na maglalabas kayo ng malaking pera, etc. At doon pa kayo sa taas bumili, etc. Please use the hype. There is opportunity in NFTs, pero as much as possible, if you are gonna go for NFTs for long term,
tignan nyo po yung laro, tignan nyo po yung system ng laro. And that's the reason why I am gonna be joining Ember Sword. I'm not hyping Ember Sword, it's just that mas, what do you call this? Mas conservative yung way of it giving out tokens to the public, right? What do I mean by conservative? Kasi ngayon, the reason why maraming naglalaro ng Axie is because it's not because of the game. Talaga, it has average graphics, the gameplay is somewhat similar to Pokemon noon. If naglalaro kayo ng Pokemon, namatay nga si Pokemon. Kasi so lang naman talaga ang gameplay. Marami lang naglalaro ngayon because of the thought na pwede kang kumita. Right? Parang trabaho kasi yan. Yes, magandang trabaho na to kasi malaki daw ang sweldo. Pag trabaho ni dyan, after hindi naman pala kami enjoy ganito ganyan, and then magta-transfer rin ng trabaho because you're in there for the wrong reasons, which is earning. Kasi you can always earn in a different game, in a different environment. Dito, si Axie, yes, kumikita kayo dito. What if may mas magandang laro lalabas in the future? Mawawala yung mga players kay Axie, diba? So that's something that you need to consider. Next is SLP generation. Sobrang dami nga and it's forming a bubble. Axie has been giving out so much SLP to really attract more players. That's their way of attracting more players. Malaki ang kitaan, ganito, ganyan. But it's creating a dangerous bubble for them. So, that's not good. Yung sa Ember Sword kasi, yung NFTs niya is technically yung mga costume, right? If ever makupulot ka ng magandang sword, it is an NFT and you can sell it to the public and then earn tokens which you can sell for cash. Yung mga items na yon is cosmetic lang, hindi siya nagdadagdag ng statistics or it doesn't make the game imbalance, right? Sa Axie maraming naglalaro kahit na imbalance yung laro kasi yung iba sobrang lakas ng Axie nila, yung sa'yo hindi. But in Ember Sword, kahit na cosmetics lang, it will not cause an imbalance. That's why the fundamentals of the game is nice. That's why I'm going for it. Okay? But then again, we're just gonna be discussing about NFTs in the future. Gusto ko lang i-update kayo sa SLP. SLP, we were somehow able to predict this drop right here because of the fundamentals of the game. And it's now down 3.42 pesos. There's a question na maganda pa rin ba magsimula kay Axie? Baka mahirapan kayo mag-ROI because of this price right here. Baka bumili kayo ng mahamahalin na Axie. Kasi depende yun sa Axie. If yung mga magaganda na Axie cost around 80, 120,000, some even cost 300,000. And with the price of Smooth Love Potion, it is gonna take time for you to be able to, what do you call this? Get back your investment. Sa halagang 60,000 pesos, you get an average kind of team. And it will take you with this kind of price of Axie right now, 3 to 4 months to go ROI. Right? Araw-araw magtatrabahuin yan, 3 to 4 months for you to ROI. Noon maganda kasi mataas ang presyo ni Axie. But it is what it is. So, ingat lang po. Same with Plants vs. Undead. I think it has the same token generation system, so it might be good at the start. Pero in later parts of the game, baka bumagsak kasi matatabunan sila na mas maganda na mga laro. Right? Let's go back to stock market muna tayo. Time check is 8:26, maaga pa naman. JFC. Right, this is a request from Norman. Si JFC nag-resistance, hindi na tumuloy at nag-reversal na. This is the next best support of JFC, 182. Bobby Shelby, parang music yung sinasabi nyo. Sir, thank you so much. Happy to help, man. At least naman lang natutulungan natin kayo. Right, ako is, I'm gonna be focusing on NFTs moving forward since sobrang ganda ng, we weren't expecting for the bot trading to be doing really well. Okay? To tell you honestly, 42% in just July, August, September. In just 2 months is amazing already. Right? Nakita nyo na ito. Nakita nyo naman yung takbo ng Izanagi main account namin. It's 171%. And this is from January 18 to September 15. Sobrang ganda na ng bot trading mas maganda pa sa stocks trading ko, to be honest with you. Mas malaki pa ang tubo niya. So, I'm gonna be focusing more on this and this is more automated. Check lang ganito, ganyan. We're gonna be running new algorithms, test na naman namin in the future to improve better on Izanagi and Valkyrie. But yeah, it's been doing well for me. So, it's giving me time, right? Yung oras ko noon na linalagay ko talaga when it comes to research, etc., bot trading has removed that burden from me, right? So, matrabaho si bot trading sa start because we had to do the program, test it out, etc., etc. But once it was running and it was doing well, sobrang ganda na. So, I have more time in doing other things, right? Si NFT games kasi more into gaming. I'm a gamer, and it has a touch of trading and fundamentals and economics at the same time, which is also my expertise. So at least para sa akin, it's the alignment of stars. So NFT is going to be my direction moving forward. So I'm gonna be sharing to you my journey of this still also. Pero hindi ko po ititigil ang stock market journey natin. We've been successful in stock market. We've been successful in trading. It's just that may technology na ngayon na pwede na namin ilagay yung trading strategy namin into a program, and yung program na magta-trade para sa amin. Tada! Sobrang gana ng buhay, right? Anyways, Rebecca Tangan, sir, kahit hindi ba techie, pwede mag-bot trading. Actually, it's built for those who are not techie, right? Sa simula, gag-guide naman kayo for the setup. Once it's set up already, kami naman magsa-set up ng bot. Actually, yung gagawin nyo lang is create the account. May mga payments lang for the monthly VPS. Speaking of VPS, i-increase natin yung VPS to 500 a month. Yung ginawa kasi namin in one VPS server, marami linagay namin and para mas mura at 300 pesos, pero ang tendency is bumagal na yung server na yon, and there are mga missed na mga trades because of it. So, ang gagawin namin is lesser accounts in a VPS server, pero mas mahal siya, pero mas efficient naman. Additional 200 pesos for the VPS is a month is sobrang liit na yan compared to your earnings. So, yeah, VPS po natin yan. It's gonna be 500. But once that's set up, hindi nyo na kailangan, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. All you need to do is check your account if you want to keep checking it out. Pero the Izanagi and Valkyrie is really set and forget bots, right? So, yun. Sir, Plant versus Undead PVU token, if pwede ma-check niyo. We read that already from Bobby Shelby. Arv Sanoria, good evening, sir. How about Egg and MBT? Let's check out Mega World and MBT. Wait, thank you so much. Sino nagpadala ng stars? Paul Modlong, thank you for the 35 stars, man. Right, may pangkape na tayo. Alright. Ano nga ba yun? Wala tuloy ako. Sir, what will be the impact kung i-trade na si Converge sa US stocks at $5? It might go up. Converge might go up because of that. May magandang news kasi kay Converge, di ba? Pwede niya siya i-trade by international, but that could be a factor. I'm not really banking on that. Para si PLDT noon, di ba? Nata-trade na internationally. That's why PLDT went up. Marami ng inflow ng pera instead, di ba? So, that could be good for Converge. It can be something, pero the price of Converge, huwag kayong ma-hype dyan. Please do your technical analysis also. Tendency kasi natin, pag nakakita tayo ng maganda news, habulin kagad natin. It's good news for Converge. The problem with Converge is the prices are way up there already. Right? Pwede siyang umakyat good, but we are gonna be following as much as possible our trading, what do you call this? Our trading system. Wait for it to drop before you wanna get in. If ever marunong kayo mag-trade with momentum trade, then that could be a good trade for you guys, right? So wait nyo lang, follow nyo lang yung trend line Converge. Right? It's good news, yung news na yan. In bot, nagma-manual close ka din ba? Hindi ako nagma-manual close sa bot. Tatlo yung bot natin, di ba? Trend follower, Valkyrie, and Izanagi. So Valkyrie and Izanagi ko, I placed it set and forget. Right? It's already doing well as it is. If I have the time, then I can trade manual trade. Yung trend follower natin, sobrang ganda ng manual trading doon. Trend follower will open the trades for you guys. And then, yung sa chat room natin, we will give you the signals. Meron kaming team dyan. To give you the signals na pwede nyo na is manual close yung ibang mga positions. Or our trade calls even. If ever you've been joining trend follower bot already, which is also for free, meron tayong mga trading signals dyan. Natatanggap nyo na text na pwede kayong mag-open ng ganitong position, pwede kayong mag-close. It has more than 90% na win rate yung trade calls natin dyan using the bot algorithm. Sobrang ganda ng trade calls doon. So, if you wanna do that, kung gusto nyo mas malaki ang kitaan, we had people in the group na ginagawa yon 300% in just 2 months yung gains niya. Because he has time to trade. So, pwedeng gawin yon. You can join the trend follower bot or the EA bot instead. Send us a message, right? Send me a message sa Facebook page ko about bot, which is Bot Trading PH. Right, this is one right here. For all bot-related na mga questions, send me a message right here. I'm gonna be doing our best to answer you guys about bot trading. Right? So, please follow that page also. Ang dami nating updates dyan for bot trading. Alright, so asan na yung last na question? Daan muna ako sa YouTube. Marami rin kasi nanonood sa YouTube. Paul Modlong TV first. Ian says earlier, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pacheck naman po si Meg. Also, maganda mag-test buy sa DMC para sa dividends din. Maganda ang dividends ni DMC. That's one of the reasons why DMC has been going well. Meg naman, bodega mode, my friend. There's a possible support right here. Abangan mo mag-bounce. Pag mag-bounce, buy some. Just in case mali and magbumaba pa. Man, bodegahin nyo lang yan. Maganda ang takbo ng Meg as a company overall. So, Meg is gonna be good. Yan si Villar Sir. Also, DNL. Nga pala si DMC lang muna. DMC. Let's check out DMC. Pullback for DMC. Nakakatakot to, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elliott Wave is telling us na tapos na to. So, let it dip lang muna. It will dip right here. Like this one right here. Saka natin pasukin. Mas maganda yun for DMC. Sir Lloyd, also DNL, is it good for long-term financial and FCF, financial cash flow is good? Ano ma advice you? Actually, I'm one of the biggest fans of DNL as a company. DNL is good for long-term. Excuse me. I did recommend DNL even on this support right here, even on the breakout, and sobrang ganda na ng takbo ni DNL ever since. Right now, DNL's support is at this level. I would say yes. Hopefully, the economy will go boom again. DNL is one of the companies that will really thrive if ever mag-recover na talaga yung economy natin. Lawrence Abad, good evening. Sir Lloyd Idol, good evening po. Jaco07, Asia at Night, Ali, SMPH, are they buys? Let's check out Ayala Land Incorporated. Is it a buy signal? We are playing at support levels. Massive support right here. Yeah, just buy them. This is your major support right here. That's the best entry point. The problem is we don't really know for sure if it's gonna go back down even. So just buy on the next greens, and then on the next dips, just keep buying at this level right here. For Ali. And then SMPH, one of my favorite companies. SMPH starting to reach massive support levels also. Next greens and bodegahin nyo. Same strategy with Ali for SMPH. Dice, hi Sir Lloyd, evening. I already registered for the Izanagi about trading. Though may few questions ako sir na di pa naintindihan. Ano ba yung meaning ng buffer? Right, ganito po yan. If you put in $500, ang iti-trade lang po is the $250. Right? Because the other half will be your buffer. Technically, depende po sa nakaset ninyo na what do you call this? Basta yung risk niyo nasa dulo ng dila ko. But that is gonna, the buffer, let's say for example $500, that $250 and then lang ito trade. The other $250 is gonna protect you from the stop loss, right? Because if ever bumagsak ang presyo ng positions, it is gonna hold the positions, it is gonna use up your buffer para hindi ma-close yung position yun. Parang pang average down. And then once that position goes reversal, that means your average is already very low. Kaya po nakikita ninyo si Izanagi sobrang ganda. Kahit na ito kasi the graph, I'll explain to you how the graph how to look at the graph. Let me use my other account. Right here, let's say para mas klaro kasi mas ano yung graph na yun. Medyo Here, let's use this one. Did you see the graph? Do you see the graph? The yellow one is the current position, the current level of your position equity. Meaning, ito yung pera na nasa loob ng port ninyo. This is the closed, overall, yung mga closed na positions. There are times na bumabagsak ang presyo ng mga trades ninyo. If makikita nyo, pulahan yung mga positions na nasa bot nyo, it's the buffer that is shouldering those losses so that once the positions reverses, nakapag-average down kayo using your buffer, once it goes up, look at the equity growth. Right? At a certain point, I was at negative 4.40, negative 4.28, negative 3 even. Right? So, yung drawdown ko was 6.32. At a certain point, yung ano ko is bumaba ng 6.32. The buffer is supporting me. And once the buffer average, technically, the term is hold the position so that when it reverses, it will go up. And look at that. Because of the buffer, because nakapag-average down tayo, the equity is now up. There's still this gap from the current close at 4.05 to 2.82 because yung current positions hindi pa na close out and we are still on the negative for them. Ino-hold yan ng buffer para hindi kayo stop loss at saka hindi maubos yung pera sa loob ng positions. Kasi once na ubos, let's say for example, pag ginamit yung entire fund ninyo, if ever, remember naka-leverage po ang forex, right? So, pag leverage kasi nauubos ang fund sa loob ng portfolio, right? Unlike na normal trades, say for example, normal trades, you put in 1,000 pesos on a trade, pag nag-negative 50% yan, meaning nag-negative 500 pesos lang kayo kasi walang leverage. But if you use leverage times 2, that is going to be negative 1,000 also. So, nagzi-zero out yan. If you don't have buffer, walang pera sa port ninyo, i-close niyan. Kasi wala nang pera sa loob eh. Right? The buffer will be used para hindi po ma-close yung position na yun so that when it reverses, it will be a very big climb for your portfolio. Okay? So, sumasabay yan sa mga winning positions at yung mga negative ninyo nawawala, umaakit yung port ninyo. Right? So, hopefully, I was able to explain buffer to you guys. Okay? So, if ever you put in $500 kay Izanagi, since XM has the double your investment, the other $500 is gonna be your buffer also. Right? Good question from Dice. Benson Guevara, good evening sir. Nag-short ako kay Tesla nung Friday closing. Ano pa yun sa akin pag mag-open ng market today? Right. Bakit mo sinort si Tesla? Uptrend yun. Let me open Tesla. Alright. I'm already sure why you shorted Tesla. Most probably because of the resistance right here. But man, you're going up against the trend right here, man. So, never go against the trend. The overall trend of Tesla is an uptrend. Even if may resistance kayo makita dyan, never go up against the trend. The trend is your friend. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Huwag kayo mag-open na position na counter sa trend niya. That's opposing the trend. Kasi if the stock is on an uptrend, higher chances po na umaakit ang stock. Okay? So, yeah man, you shorted it because you think na resistance ito, right? So, technically, your cut loss is if ever mag-break out sa Tesla, that's gonna be your stop loss. So, stop loss beyond that. That's for Benson Guevara. But yeah, lesson natin for today, never go up against a trend, okay? Okay, let's move forward. Dave Viola, into condo investing din po ba kayo, Sir Lloyd? I'm not into condo investing just yet. Meron kasi kami mga lupa. I'd rather build infrastructures instead of condo. Kung wala kayong mahanap na lupa na maganda, saka maganda yung location ng condo. Or if you can bargain, if ever may nagbebenta ng condo na sobrang mura kasi kailangan nilang pera, buy the condo. Right? Junior Aquino, thanks po. Kuha kayo ng condo, wag niyo utangin. Right? Another rule. Magandang condo investing, mas efficient ang investments ninyo if ever hindi niyo utangin yung pera. Marami kasing kumukuha ng condo, kaya ko yung equity, tas utangin ko yung the rest. That's not an efficient way in investing condo. If ever man lang, kung meron kayong stock at hand dyan na pera, let's say for example, you have 4 million. na pwede nyo bilhin ng condo, hindi nyo kailangan utangin, then go ahead, buy it. Right? Pero kung utangin nyo din man lang, it's gonna be less efficient. Mas mabuti pa mag-create na lang kayo for if ever ganun. Right? Kasi the interest is gonna be countering your fund growth. Junior Kino, thanks sa pala sa XM Advisor, deposited 500 and they give another 500, making it 1K. Good promo. Congratulations, Junior Aquino. So hopefully guys, mag-join kayo for the Izanagi. We've been testing it for quite a while already, more than a year already. Before ko share sa inyo yan, I had to test it myself. And it has been doing well. Whatever, yung iba pa, I even consulted my friends in eToro about it. Right? Yung mga friends ko kay eToro, because eToro is an innovator. They know about bot trading also. Sila nagsimula ng copy trading, and bot trading is even better kasi hindi na kailangan na magsweldo ng tao sa copy trading, kaya pasweldohan pa nila kami, diba? So they're also looking into it. So I asked them, how do you know if ever a bot is good? And then they gave me advices what to check on for which I checked everything already. Check it out. Moon Smile, maraming salamat sa pagsascam mo sa mga tao. Man, don't listen to that guy, Moon Smile. Right, so huwag niyong pansinin yung kino-comment ni Moon Smile, okay? Dice, thanks Sir Lloyd. Question lang, may beginner tutorial kaya it's my first time to try Forex kasi stocks lang talaga po if ever since it seems sa Izanagi manual yung pag-TP. No. Right, Izanagi hindi manual pag-TP. Hayaan nyo lang yung position na yan. That's the drawdowns. Yun yung parang yun yung buffer kailangan. Magte-take profits lang yan. You don't have to take profits. And we had Forex, basic Forex seminar with you guys yesterday with XM, diba? Actually, speaking of seminar, I'm gonna be having a webinar this Saturday. It's technically about trading, how to earn in trading. If you have any friends, I'm gonna be posting sa Financial Freedom 101, hindi dito sa Stocksen. I'm gonna be posting about it. Please share to your friends how to earn in trading. Right? Hi sir, any insights po kay Green, DDMPR, Alibaba, and Pfizer? Thanks po. God bless. Ron, skip nila question ko. Walang kwenta. May question ba si Ron? Skip nila question ko. Walang kwenta. Wala ka naman question dito, Ron. Nagtampo ka agad si Ron eh. Ayan, screenshot ko pa sa iyo ha. Walang question lumabas from here on, Ron. So just let me know what your question is once again. So, what's wrong with my mouse? Alright, so Ron, ito ha. So this is your question right here. Wala akong nakitang Ron question from the top. So just post your question once again, man. This is that medyo ting nag-ano yung ears ko, sinabi mong walang kwenta. Hindi ka naman nag-comment, hindi ka naman nag-question. Come on. Anyways, moving forward, I don't know ano yung term sa Tagalog nung my ears went ringing nung nabasa ko yung comment ni Ron. Anyways, Moon Smile, don't listen to this guy. Let me just ban this guy mute for 60 minutes and I'm gonna be banning him, ban from page, ban from stream and everything. Disturbo to mga to eh. Sir Lloyd, paano po mag-start sa Izanagi? I have a video about Izanagi and Valkyrie and dyan po sa video description. Check it out and dyan rin po yung registration. That is how you start Izanagi. So, saan nga ba yung ano? Sa YouTube muna ako meron kasing question dito. Dice, from Reggie. Hi Sir Lloyd, and insights kay Green. Alright, so Green. Mukhang. Alright, this is the engulfing pattern right here. Mukhang magsusupport sa green. This is the best entry point pag nag-green si green. That's a good entry. So, DDMPR, medyo questionable yung ano ni DDMPR. Solid support right here. At this level, you are gonna be reaching around 4% na what do you call this? 4% na what do you call this? Dividends. So if that's okay with you guys, that's okay. That's a buy for DDMPR, right? So hindi lang talaga umaakyat kay si DDMPR talaga. Pfizer, Alibaba pala, si Baba. Si Alibaba is touching lower Bollinger Bands again. Massive support right here. Nasa support levels tayo. That's a good trade right there if you wanna trade this one out. Hopefully mag-reversal. Okay naman. Tapos na yung downtrend niya. Initial downtrend was already done right here. Confirmation of the support right there. Another confirmation if ayaw nyo maging aggressive is breakout from this downtrend line. So that will be your entry point for Baba. Pfizer. Ano nga ba yung code ng Pfizer? Ito, PFE. Pfizer Incorporated, still on a downtrend right here. Stay away from it. At least sinasabi ko sa inyo, kahit maganda, walang forever, nagre-reversal yan. Abangan na lang muna natin si Pfizer since downtrend pa naman siya. Thank you so much for the stars once again. Alright, from Junior Aquino for the 100 stars. Thank you so much, man. Rizaldi Reyes, Sir Lloyd. Kaya nga pala. This is from Romelin. Hindi. Christine Joy Talastas. Any thoughts po kay Dito? Dito is not a buy. I've been warning about Dito since nasa taas na si Dito. Yun. Ito yung sinasabi ko. The reason why I warned you before, huwag nyo na pasukin si Dito and ayan, nahit kayo sa reversal if ever nagpa-hype kayo sa mga tao. I will tell you when it's the buy. I will tell you when not to buy it. It's not a buy. I told you to buy it right here. We were able to win that one. Right now, it's dropping. Abangan lang muna natin sa 6 na naman. 650, 670. Around that level before we buy dito once again. Romelin Bonayos. Pa-check si Apple and Google. AAPL. Si Google, isa yun sa mga stocks na dapat meron kayo. Apple, starting to... Ito yung dip na yung sinasabi ko kay Apple, di ba? Right now, is still on a downtrend. There is massive support on these levels. Let's see lang muna kung anong gagawin ni Apple. But for now, there's no buy signal. Google naman, Google Alphabet Incorporated. Google is already topish. At least sinasabi ko, international markets been topish. Stay away from it and it's already giving signals for reversal. Lakas ng sell signals dito. I mean, volume for the selling for Google last weekend. So, I will stay away from it. Wait for the dip. Right? Google is one of the companies that you want to wait for the dip. Possible support is right here. Abangan nyo dyan. That's where you start buying Google. Buy even more if ever bumaba pa yan. Sobrang ganda ng company na yan. Alright, 8:50 time check. Teka lang Rizaldi Reyes, tapos na tayo kay Green. Sir, kahit ba techie, hindi pwede for Rebecca Tangan for bot? I mean, pwede mag-bot ang kahit techie. Kahit hindi techie. Sa simula lang naman siya medyo hassle kasi creating an account, install natin yung app na NT4, then we connect it to your account, and then kami na mag-install on the VPN, VPS for the bot. And once it's set up, it's good to go. Right? Sa simula lang siya matrabaho. Paul Madlong, no problem, idol. Keep on inspiring, teaching more Filipinos one at a time. Thank you so much, man. Rebecca Tangan, any thoughts po kay Emre-Eat? Emre-Eat is a buy for me. If ever kaya nakakuha kayo sa IPO, then that's good. Di pa naman lumalabas si Emre-Eat. Ang kagandahan kasi ni Emre-Eat is maraming properties siya. Maraming properties na nasa loob ng asset na yun. Meaning, your money is more diversified. Pagka nagka-problema ang isang asset nila, let's say for example, nasunog yung building, right? That's gonna be bad for a REIT. Kasi earnings dyan mawawala. But since marami naman yung nasa loob ng asset ng grupo ng Emre-Eat, so it's not gonna affect your investment that much. So, Emre-Eat is good for me. Mas maganda if ever makakuha kayo on a sale for Emre-Eat. So, ano lang, abangan nyo if ever makakuha kayo on a sale for Emre-Eat. Okay? Vince Ariola, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po PHR. Thanks. Let's check out PHR. Let me share the screen. PHR, downtrend, my friend. So, stay away from it lang muna. Since pababa pa si PHR. Del Monte po, Master Sir. Right. Ang ganda na earnings ni Del Monte ah. Alright, so Del Monte, right, pull back right now. MA20 is your best friend. Antayin nyo muna mag MA20 before you wanna get in Del Monte. Okay? The very least kung gusto nyo sabayan yung trend niya. Ganda na earnings ni Del Monte. Alright, so Del Monte, MA20 bounce or where it bounces sa kanyang sakyan. No Ben Pasio, Sir Lloyd, paano magka-start sa Izanagi? Andyan sa video description yung link po for the registration. Paano i-send ang stars from Junior Aquino? Nakasend ka na, man. Thank you so much for the stars. Hindi ko hiningi yan, but man, those are blessings. If you send stars, it will be greatly appreciated. Don't worry, hindi yan mapupunta sa akin. Pupunta pa rin yan sa mga tinutulungan natin na mga... tell you the truth, I have people right now that I am helping. Andito sila sa bahay. These are mga talented na mga players sa Cebu na walang gaano. Mga athletes, esports athletes na walang gaano suporta. Problema sa government natin, walang gaano suporta sa esports. So, I am supporting them. Mapupunta yan lahat sa tulong natin sa kanila. Thank you so much for the stars you're sending. Teresa Calpo. Sorry sir, pasilip naman po sa SEC if good to buy. Thanks. Let's check out SEC. SEC, good to buy ba? Breakout. Dito, that's the support right there. Just confirm the support. Pullback. MA20 bounce for SEC should you want to trade this one. But it's showing us bearish signal. So, I don't like the trade, but momentum trade lang kayo. MA20 bounce, cut loss below MA20. Strict trading since high risk range yan sa taas. Sipain na mga toxic people. Hayaan nyo na. Sir Lloyd, ano po comment nyo sa preferred shares ng GFC at 1,000 pesos? Man, if you can afford preferred shares, buy man. Pero pang long term yan ha, ng preferred shares niyo. You're gonna be going for dividends right here. Ayan Fazonella. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. BSC po. Let's check out BSC. Time check, it's 8:54. So, bilisan ko na lang to guys ha. Pasensya na sa mga nanonood sa YouTube. Mukhang hindi ko na kayo mababasa dyan. Since wala pa namang comments, that's the comments si Ron. Junior Kino, that's 100 stars for job well done. More power and continue to help others. Thank you so much, Junior. Okay na, alright. Alright, so I guess we were able to answer everything, diba? Again, reminders guys ha, 10 more days to go for the XM promotion. If you put in $500 for Izanagi, that's $500 more. XM is gonna be adding to your portfolio. That's 25,000 worth of buying power. Right? That's... Noon, hirap ako maghanap ng 25k pang buying power ko. Ngayon, easy nyo na makukuha yan. Just take advantage of the promotion. Izanagi is a free bot. Babayaran nyo lang dyan is the monthly VPS lang, yung computer na magte-trade para sa inyo. Sobrang liit lang yan compared to magkano makukuha ninyo. Then again, previous performance does not guarantee future performance. Okay? So, high risk pa rin po ang Forex. So, please watch the video first about Izanagi, about Valkyrie, and dyan sa video description before you wanna go register. Right? Ang ganda lang ng system. And I've been very transparent with you guys. I've been created a separate account para ipakita ko sa inyo yung performance para makita niyo talaga. Hopefully, mag-join kayo. That's it for me this evening. Ed Sir Lloyd, anong comment mo sa REITs today? Yeah, last na to from Ed Medalia. REITs are good. I would say, if ever, wala pa naman kayong bulk na pera to really buy a condo na hindi nyo utangin or to build a property, go for REITs lang muna. Let's say for example, you just have 200,000 right there, 300,000. And you're planning to put it in real estate, go for REITs. Okay? Ang condo kasi, let's say for example, dito sa Cebu, condo can cost you around, yung studio type, 2 to 3 million. 3 million pesos. Ito, I'm gonna extend for you for a bit, right? Para realization ninyo. Right? If you buy a condo for around 2 to 3 million, and then have it rented out, and then perenten nyo yan, siguro nasa 15,000, right? 15,000 a month. Okay na, di ba? 15,000 a month, I'm gonna be earning passively. Is that okay with you? Right? Post it in the comments if it's okay with you to earn 50,000 and you buy a condo a month. Diba? So, if it's a yes, Let me know in the comments if it's a yes, right? So we're gonna be doing the math, a little lesson about financial literacy for you guys, about investments, since this is really about that, right? So now, most probably, wala nag-yes dyan, right? But yeah, 15,000 passive income for me is already very good. I don't know about you, but 15,000 a month passive, yes, 15,000 a month. So let's do the math. Let me share my screen. Okay, extend tayo ng konti, right? 15,000 pesos times 12, that's 180,000 pesos yearly passive income. I don't know about you, but I want that. 180,000 pesos passive income, right? Minus lang natin yung mga maintenance, etc. Let's say 30,000. So let's put it at 150,000, diba? Because there is maintenance and everything, sorry. So 150,000. So that's what you're gonna be earning yearly from a 3 million na condominium. Now the question is, what percentage is 15,000 of 3 million? That's what we don't see kasi. So I'm just gonna Google it kasi ang hirap ng math. What is 150? What percent is 150,000 of 3 million? Right? So what percent? Step-by-step solution para makita natin step-by-step. Bagal. Let's try a different one. Bagal. Right, so 150,000 of 3 million is that's 5%. Right? That's 5%. That's 5%, right? 5% na kinikita lang ninyo actually, 'di ba? Kung linagay niyo yung pera niyo na yan sa REITs, more or less you're gonna get the same thing, right? And then sabihin niyo sa akin, idagdag pa natin dyan, Sir Lord, yung appreciation ng asset. Yes, nag-appreciate yung asset. So with the appreciation, but with the risks involved, hindi naman all the time may mag-uupa dyan. Let's say, for example, clean natin dyan sa around 8%. Diba? 8% to 9%, maybe 10%. So kung sobrang ganda talaga ng property. So 10% annual. But ang liit na pakinggan, di ba? But that's because we're talking about 3 million. If you put 3 million in REITs instead, para ka rin nagpaupa ng condo. Right? If hindi mo na kailangan umutang. Right? So, why not put it in REITs instead? Or lagay nyo sa Pag-ibig MP2 program. Pag-ibig MP2 program during the pandemic, more than 6%. Mas malaki pa sa pinaparenta yung condo. Diba? Kung nagpapakondo lang kayo. So, I love REITs. It's your surefire way to touch or to diversify into real estate investments without having to risk that much. Isa sa risk sa nagkakondo kayo, what if the building magka-damage or masunog yung floor ninyo, etc. Kumbaya, TY. Right? Sa REITs, it's much safer. Right? Wala kayong capital appreciation, but nonetheless, hindi na naman kayo nagbabayad ng interest, 'di ba? Kasi yearly kayo nagbabayad ng interest, ipuutangin niyo rin lang naman. So, REITs is good, right? That's 5% lang, actually. Malaki lang kasi yung amount na linagay. So, if you put in 3 million, put it in MP2 program, parang may condo na kayo, lesser the risk. You put in 500,000, lagay nyo kay Izanagi, mas malaki pa sa real estate ang kinikita ninyo. So, up to you guys. It's just that it's good. Hopefully, I've opened your eyes na hindi naman ganun kalakihan talaga ang kitaan din kaagad sa real estate. Pero it's a good way to diversify kasi mas stable rin naman kasi ang real estate. That's the beauty of it. Lesser reward, just 5%, pero lesser risk naman. Kung gusto niyo mas higher reward, put it in higher risk. Ganun na naman yun diba? So, hopefully I made you understand. You don't really have to rush buying a condo. Right? Pwede kayo mag-REIT lang muna, simula, and then once tumutubo na yung pera ninyo, once it's enough, then you can buy a condo full for yourself or do whatever in the future. Just diversify into REITs also. Just diversify into real estate through REITs if ever starter pa lang naman kayo. Right, kung ilagay yung 3M sa stock, Sir Lloyd, hindi ba mas malaki ang percentage ng earnings? Yes! Linagay nyo kay dito, noong piso pa yon. I've been recommending dito for almost forever, nung nasa baba pa yan. Mas malaki pa kinita ninyo sa stock exchange, right? Pero again, it's stock exchange, higher risk, I mean, higher rewards, yes, pero mas higher din naman yung risk. So, it's a balance. That's why you diversify. Pero concentrate on something na also, if ever nagsisimula pa lang sa investment journey ninyo, put your savings, your long-term savings, put it on low-risk, low-reward investments, basta may reward lang na bibit niyo yung inflation, but have some funds to put it in high-risk investments also. Andyan sila Izanagi, andyan sila Valkyrie for you guys sa nasa Forex. Sobrang dali na yan. These kinds of technology were not available before nung nagsimula pa lang ako. Now it's available for you guys. Hopefully you take advantage of it. Opo sir, and through time nag-increase ang rent, sabi ni Dave Viola. Right. REITs versus Izanagi, is Izanagi much higher? Alfredo Kisto, yes, mas mataas ang kitaan sa Izanagi. Pero remember po, do not focus on just the earnings. Right? This is very enticing kasi. But, look at the drawdown. That's 42%. Kaya nyo po bang sikmurain yan? Yung 100,000 ninyo, bumaba ng 42% at a certain point in exchange for this one. Right? So you have to understand the risks also. Higher risk, higher reward. Well, that's the basic rule of investing. Okay? Yung iba nga, yung ibang investment nga dyan, sinasabi 30% ng tubo every month. Ang laki ng tubo, di ba? Pero ang risk naman is maubos yung pera nyo kasi scam. Di ba? But this one right here, it's no. How do you know if it's not a scam? It is through a broker. Wala pong pera na pupunta sa amin dyan. In fact, Izanagi is for free. Yung pera nyo nasa broker, hindi namin mawi-withdraw yan. Wala mapupunta sa amin. Izanagi is technically continuation of our help for people. Right? Wala mapupunta sa amin dyan kay Izanagi. Yung earnings na yan, sa inyo lahat yan. Right? Meron kami referral from XM, to be honest with you guys, but ano ba naman yun kumpara sa mga kinikita ninyo? Mas malaki pa yung kinikita nyo kaysa sa referrals from XM. Sobrang liit lang na referrals. So, magkano lang naman linalagyan ng karamihan ng mga tao? 25,000. Just cool. Napakaliit na yan. But the thought here is, we're helping everyone. Izanagis for free. Hirap maghanap ng bot na libre na maganda. Right? So, check it out. Si Valkyrie nga, kinakausapan namin yung may-ari na pamura para sa mga Pinoy. We were able to haggle it down to 7,000 annually. Right? Anyways, that's it for me this evening. Hopefully marami kayo natutunan. Bukas ulit, usap tayo. Let's talk about making money. Let's talk about stock market. Let's talk about NFTs. I'm not really sure ano yung matatopic pa natin bukas. If there is something big in the news in the market, I'm gonna be talking about it. But the point is we're learning every day. And I'm gonna be able to, if wala naman topic, we can do charting. Diba? See you again tomorrow. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. For beginners sa Izanagi, how much yung recommended if moderate risk tolerance? I would recommend 25,000 if kaya ninyo. If kaya nyo po on 50,000 is good, right? Izanagi minimum is around 12,500. Pwede na ka na mag-Izanagi with just 12,500. So remember lang percentage yung tubo natin. So mas maliit ang lalagay nyo ng pera, maliit rin yung kita nyo. So it's up to you. That's it for me. Again, this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. And as always, this is Lloyd Bazaar saying, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.